Good morning, students. Welcome to moral science class, and this is your revision sheet because we have done the portion. Now see, some questions are here. Answer in one word means you haven't to write the full sentence. You have to answer only one single word. Who made fun of others? And who made fun of others, my dear? Johnny. If you will read the chapter The Oneness of Mankind, you will see that Johnny was usually making fun of others. Whom he was watching curly hair, he used to tease like that. In each and every person, he was finding something to make fun. This was the habit of Johnny. Now we will go to the next question. Who wore a funny kind of hat? And who wore a funny kind of hat? Al-Kazu. And who was Al-Kazu? Al-Kazu was a great magician. And from which chapter this is? This is from the chapter The Oneness of Mankind. Who started to believe in God? And who started? The person who was not believing in God. Ajay was not believing in God. Why he was not believing in God? Because he haven't seen God. He was telling that I haven't seen God. Then why to believe in God? But when his friend Raman, when both of the friends went in the jungle, Ajay saw the paw prints of the lion and told that, see, the paw prints of the lion has passed through it. But Raman told, you are watching the paw prints and telling that lion came this way. And can't you understand from where this world is created? The sun, moon, mountain, rivers, and the complex human being who has made it. And from that day onwards, Ajay got the thing that this whole universe is being created by some powerful who is having the whole power in the hand, and we call it God. Okay, we can't see. God is not a physical entity. We can't see, we can't feel. Suppose bag, mobile, book, copy, we can see and feel, but God we can't see, we can't touch. But the thing is, we can understand that this is God, and whatever we are doing, if we are doing good deeds, we are being rewarded by the God. If we are doing bad deeds, we are being punished also by the God. Who proved the existence of God? And who proved the existence of God? Raman. When both the friends were in the jungle, what happened? That time only Ajay saw the paw prints and told that lion has crossed by here, that's why see the lion's paw prints. Then what Raman told? That by seeing the paw prints of the lion, you are understanding that lion has passed by, and you can't see this whole universe. And who can create? Is it possible for any people to create? No. So God has created this whole universe. In which city did Johnny live? And Johnny lived in the city of Colombo. And who was Johnny? Johnny was a good boy, but one bad habit he was having. And what was his bad habit? To make fun of others. And who punished Johnny? Al-Kazu, the great magician. In which city did Master live? And Master lived in the city of Akka. And this is from which chapter? The Unkind Man and the Forgiving Master. This chapter teaches us the lesson of forgiveness, because Master was forgiving and Unkind Man was always being rude to the Master. Who bought medicines for the cat? And my dear, this is just a story, because this can't happen that mouse will bring and give cat the medicine. Before that, mouse will eat it up. But in the chapter, that love and affection is shown. And we should realize this, my dear. If there is problem, after that problem, some good thing also happen. Okay? So this story tells us, means when the mouse thought about the cat, then he thought positive thing about the cat. Then he thought that cat is chasing me. That means he is making me smart, making me fit and fine in running. If the cat is chasing me, he is making me fit and fine. If I am afraid of the cat has made me afraid, that makes me regular in praying to God. So when he saw all the positive things about the cat, he decided to help the cat. And that time he cooked some food for the cat. And Mouse cooked food for the cat, brought medicines and looked after him until he was well. Now for how many years master did favor to the unkind man? And this is for 24 years. For 24 years, master did favor to the unkind man. And for 24 years, the unkind man was rude to the master. See the period and patience of the master. But still master was helping the unkind man. And after 24 years, what happens? The unkind man realized his mistakes and went to the master and asked to forgive him. And what did master did? Master forgave the unkind man. Because when we forgive others, we feel nice. If we don't forgive others, we carry a heavy load with us. So we should be forgiving, just like the master. Helping, caring, forgiving, these are the good moral values. Thank you, dear, for watching this video. Hope you all will do your work very nicely.